How to cancel items on Temu. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Temu is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Head over to You at the bottom of the screen and then move into your orders. It will be landing you on this page. So in this page, you will be able to see all the list of the orders that you have made. If the order has not been packed yet, then only you will be able to cancel it. But if the order has been shipped or delivered, then you won't be able to cancel your order. So before the packing of your order, you have to cancel it. All you want to do is click on the orders that you have made. At the bottom, the option of cancel order will be visible to you. Simply click on it and then tap on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your order will be cancelled successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel order on Temu. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.